Yeah, look, I think so. I think that, like, just listening to what other colleagues think, and they represent different age groups and different stages of their career. It is quite a interesting forum to be involved in, and also I think there's a few people that challenged our thinking to not just think a little bit of change, but actually to really get out there and think broader change, which is great, because when you think back just 10 years ago, in my career 30 years ago, probably the first 20 years was similar, and the last 10 years has been massive change. Yeah.
I was just really looking, actually I found it very interesting looking at the process of future-proofing, assessing the future of an industry and hearing people's different views as to what they thought, both good and bad, about the impact of education and technology.
The automation of refraction and things like that, that our future is really ours to decide if we sort of put our minds to it and decide where we want to go and how we want to go. We can sort of, direct our own future as a profession, be that sort of more medically based or more holistic based approach to providing our optometry services.